The time has come. It's vaccine day. Hey everyone, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and it is vaccination day. So I'm here at my local Walmart where I'm going to be getting my first shot of Moderna here in about 30 minutes. Now originally I was supposed to get Johnson & Johnson, but with the recent issues with that vaccine where they put it on hold while they do additional testing, Walmart has switched from Johnson & Johnson to the Moderna, so I'll be getting 2 shots instead of 1. So I thought I would do a little video about the process, what it feels like to get the shot, and any side effects that I have after I get the shot. Now, most people seem to say that the first shot does very little to you, almost no reaction to it, that it is the second one that will give you a reaction if you're going to have one. So we'll find out about that. I know my wife, she had the Johnson & Johnson shot before they stopped using it here temporarily, and she did run a little bit of a fever with it, was extra tired, basically kind of like flu-like symptoms, but they went away within 24 hours, and she hasn't had any issues since then. So I'm going to go ahead and head inside, get this done, and let's see how it goes. All right, so first shot is done. Really simple, easy process here at the Walmart. I went in, they get you checked in. They went ahead and scheduled my second dose immediately right then and there. Go over, boom, they stick you, ask you a couple questions, of course, everything like that. Got the shot. They have you wait 15 minutes just to make sure that you don't have any immediate reaction to the shot, any kind of severe allergic reaction. So far, so good. Of course, it's only been like 20 minutes, but no issues, no problems so far to report. So what I'm probably going to do, or actually what I am going to do, is the second half of this video I will shoot tomorrow. That way I can see if any symptoms have developed from the vaccine between now and then. They said flu-like possibilities, some soreness. They gave you a whole list of things that you could get or that are a possibility, but she said the most common is flu-like symptoms. So I will check in for the second half of this video tomorrow, and we'll see if anything has changed. Well, it is the next day after receiving the Moderna COVID vaccine, and no issues with the arm where they gave me the shot. I mean, obviously I could tell that I got a shot like any other time, but nothing major with the shot location or anything like that. The honest only side effect that I've had is it has made me very, very sleepy. I'm actually having a hard time staying awake. About 4 hours after I got the shot, I started feeling sleepy. I went to bed early. Woke up this morning, and honestly, I feel like I didn't sleep at all last night. So that's really the only major thing I have is just being tired. They did say that was one of the side effects, and a lot of people that we have talked to say that that's how they felt as well. So I think I'm going to go and take me a nap and sleep the rest of this off. But I just wanted to share with everybody my experience with getting the vaccine. And then here in a couple of weeks, I will go get the second dose, and we will see how that one goes as well. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Let's hit that subscribe button right here. It's free to do so, and it does help our channel continue to deliver y'all content. And y'all have a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.